Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, myself Professor Uday Bukre and now I am welcoming you on your own YouTube channel Ekeeda. If you are watching my video for first time, I request you to subscribe to our channel Ekeeda and also press bell icon for your latest notification. Students, today we are going to learn for CA Intercourse Accountancy subject topic redemption of preference shares, question number 3, which is on your screen. Question number 3. Following are the extracts from the balance sheet. These are the extracts from the balance sheet of ABC Limited on 31st of December 2000 Share capital 40,000 equity shares of rupees 10 is fully paid. Rupees 4 lakhs amount is given. 1,000 10% redeemable preference shares of 100 is that comes to 1 lakh fully paid. Reserve surplus include capital reserve of 50,000, securities premium of 50,000. General reserve 75,000, PN account 35,000. On 1st January 2000 Board of Directors decided to redeem the preference shares at par by utilization of reserve. That means they will not make a fresh issue. By utilization of reserve means how much? See, preference share capital we have to redeem 1 lakh. So I need reserves of rupees 1 lakh. So 1 lakh के लिए I will firstly use my general reserve of 75,000 and then I will use my PN account of rupees 25,000. Available is 35,000. Sir, can we use other reserves like a security premium and capital reserve? No. We'll use divisible profit. Divisible profit मतलब ऐसे profit कि जिसके अंदर से हम लोग dividend दे सकते हैं. ऐसे profit को यहाँ पे आपको use करना है. On 1st January 2000 Board of Directors decided to redeem the preference shares at par by utilization of reserve. You are required to pass journal entries including cash transactions in the books of company. तो जब आप रिडीम करोगे तो सबसे पहले आपको आपका कैपिटल रिप्लेस करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे आपको 1 लाख रुपए का कैपिटल रिप्लेस करना है बाय क्रिएटिंग सीआरआर. तो मेरा एंट्री क्या बनेगा सर? मेरा एंट्री बनेगा जनरल रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट, पीएन अकाउंट डेबिट टू सीआरआर. उसके बाद में आपको अमाउंट ड्यू दिखाना पड़ेगा. अमाउंट ड्यू का एंट्री क्या आएगा? प्रेफरेंस शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर. फिर आप जब पे करोगे तो आपका एंट्री आएगा प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक. सिंपल एंट्रीज है. ठीक है, तो आई एम डायरेक्टली गोइंग विद द एंट्रीज. Number 1. Before you begin with the redemption, you have to replace your capital. In our example, our preference share capital, you can notice it is 1 lakh rupees. So I have to replace my capital of rupees 1 lakh by capitalizing, rather by transferring general reserve and PN account to CRR. तो मेरा पहला एंट्री फॉर्म होगा जनरल रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट, PN account डेबिट टू CRR. To capital redemption reserve account 1 lakh. Being CRR created. Very simple entry we have done. We have to redeem the preference shares. तो आपका नेक्स्ट एंट्री क्या होगा सर? आपका नेक्स्ट एंट्री होगा 10% प्रेफरेंस शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर अकाउंट. Being amount due on redemption of preference shares. Third entry is for your actual payment. What will be your entry? Preference shareholder account debit to bank. Being actual payment on redemption. In this way, this easy question we have completed. Only 3 entries in this example. Once again, very small example, but in exam you can expect only small examples, but not exactly like that, but थोड़ा सा और additional कुछ entries आएंगे. But these all are basic questions which will make you understand how redemption will be carried. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please put in our comment box. We'll try to resolve your queries at earliest.